is loaded. Big hit towards left. Does it have the distance? It does! Home run!張泰山!
Boom! Boom! Vandala! Could I just say that baseball was a romantic sport? That is hard to beat. Tarzan finishes with a boom, with a home run. I'll say it again. Yo, Ying, Chuan Xiao, Wan Feng Gun, Jusei, baseball legend Tarzan, thank you so much. He's in tears and we're all with him.
Well, I want to find the script writer because I don't think he could have ended it any better than that grand slam to張泰-San. And that was off the bat and a no-doubt home run.
Yeah. And that hit the tower. That was a 400-footer. And now the home plate umpire is saying, "Hey guys, we've got a game to finish here. Can we have a batter at the plate, please?"
Well, now Jordan Mercado, he's got the envious job of trying to follow that one up. I think the crowd's used a lot of their energy after that home run, as we see Tarzan on your screen crossing home plate. Huge credit